Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how you can make money on Etsy with 10 pro tips for beginners. Let's get started. Tip 1. Choose a niche. Focus on a specific category that you are passionate about and has a market demand. This helps you stand out and attract the right customers. Tip 2. Offer high-quality products. Ensure your items are well made and beautifully presented. Quality is key to building a loyal customer base. Tip 3. Optimize your listings. Use relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions to improve visibility in Etsy search results. Tip 4. Customize your store. Make your Etsy shop visually appealing and easy to navigate. A professional look builds trust with potential buyers. Tip 5. Provide excellent customer service. Respond promptly to inquiries, resolve issues quickly, and ensure customer satisfaction to encourage positive reviews and repeat business. Tip 6. Leverage print-on-demand services. Offer customizable products without holding inventory, allowing for a broader product range with minimal risk. Tip 7. Focus on sustainability. Eco-friendly products are increasingly popular. Highlight your use of sustainable materials and practices. Tip 8. Promote your shop. Use social media, email marketing, and collaborations to drive traffic to your Etsy store. Tip 9. Experiment with pricing. Test different price points to find the sweet spot that maximizes sales and profits. Tip 10. Stay updated with trends. Keep an eye on market trends and update your product offerings to stay relevant and meet customer demands. And there you have it, 10 pro tips to help you make money on Etsy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Happy selling! Check out the link in the description for more details on each tip. Thanks for watching.